about the NM quantifier. So it's a quantifier that applies to regex expression, and it takes a format of n, m in a curly braces. So let's take a look at an example for this. So I'll wipe this up, and okay, the NM regex quantifier. So once we do a global search for sequence of number of n 3 to m4 digits. So let me make my text real with me. 100, 1000, or 10,000. Now I want to set pattern. Cost pattern equals to /2 3 and 4. Now passing a global flag because I want it to search globally. Text dot match. Then I can pass in pattern. And now I want to output this. And now if you look at my screen right now, nothing is actually showing as an output. And if you look at what we have, we've actually followed the correct thing. Curly braces n, m. But if you look at our code, let's first inspect. Check my console. There's no error. There are no errors in the console. So can you figure out what exactly is wrong? Or what exactly is wrong? Why are we not getting any output? What exactly is wrong in this expression? Okay, if you look closely, look at this please. You can see that the color here is indicating that something is wrong with the way this pattern is set. And what we've done here that is giving this color is because of a very simple mistake that one can easily run to if one is not careful enough. And it's not a kind of error that the console can help you figure out. So if you look at the original expression, you can see it's n, m without space. But if you look at the code, now you can see space, and that is the problem. So if I remove the space now take a look. So you can see that now we have sequence of 3 to 4 digits. This is 3, this is 4, this is 4. So this is how the NM quantifier works. And lastly, n, quantifier is the last one that we're going to be taking a look at. So let's take a look at an example for that as well. So I want to do the n, quantifier. I want to do a global search for sequence of n 3 digits. And I want to go with this text variable. I'll just need to set pattern. Pattern equals to, just as I did the other time. And then I can pass in this 3 digits and pass the G flag because I want it to search globally. Let's result, or let me say output equals to text dot match pattern. And we have documents dot get element by ID. Demo 1. Dot inner HTML equals the results returned those output. Now you can see this. The results return are 100, 100, 100 because you have are 3 digits as part of the string variable. But what we are looking for is not the previous quantifier. We are not looking for the n, m quantifier in regex expression. We are actually looking for an expression of n, in that curly braces. And here you can see that I omitted that comma. Now, if I return it back, let's see what happened. Now, you can see what happened now. Let's look at the definition for it. That's no definition here, right? Okay. But we have 100, 1,000, then we also have 10,000. So, because it's a search for a sequence of at least 3 digits, that simply means that anything that is 3 digits is going to be like the minimum, the baseline. And if it finds words or elements that are more than 3 digits, then it will capture it. And that is why you see 100 as the least, because it's 3 digits, and then it captures every other element in that string variable. So if this is changed to 10, I think it should omit this. You can see it has omitted it. But if this is like maybe 100,000 or 1,000,000, so it will capture it. So this is how the n, quantifier works. It returns a search. No, it is return a search result for a sequence of n, which means that it can be 2 instead of 3. If you want a sequence of 2, then it will work. If you want a sequence of 1, it also will work. And if you want a sequence of like maybe 8 or 7, let me put 7. So that means it will make the base, like the minimum should be whatever we pass it as a value for our n, and that is going to be the baseline of the search context and the basis of the result that will be returned.